After purchasing your Freedom walk-in tub, there are many important steps to consider during the installation process. First, make absolutely sure that the tub will fit into your home. Your tub-specific dimensions are provided on our website. And keep in mind your tub's actual dimensions. Before your tub is installed, a complete visual inspection must be made. Although we package our tubs with the greatest of caution and care, damage can occur during transportation. If you happen to notice any damage at all, please call us at 877-947-7769. Whenever possible, fill your tub completely with water before bringing it into your home to check for any leaks that may have occurred during transit. All air, hydro, and electrical connections should be rechecked and secured. Check to make sure each connection is tight and secure. And make sure before the tub is brought into your home that all panels and aprons are removed. Anytime the tub is relocated or moved, aprons and panels must be removed to prevent any damage. After framing and fitting, make sure your tub will fit properly. When necessary, new holes will be drilled into the subfloor to accommodate Freedom's exclusive dual drain system. Depending upon the tub you choose and how your house drain has been set up, drain configuration will vary. Here we can clearly see the dual drain system with 4 ports. Our field test showed tub drainage averaging 80 seconds under ideal conditions. Drain times will vary depending upon your home's drain configuration. Connect all 4 ports to your main or select either side depending upon your home drain setup. Use caps to seal off the unused side. Here we show a couple of different drain configurations and how they can adapt to the position of your house drain. Here's a view of how the tub drain meets the house drain through a cutout in the floor. We recommend a 2-inch house drain for optimal drain performance. The default frame and threshold height is preset at the factory to allow the drain piping to pass under the tub and above the floor to tap into the existing house drain. Proper measurements will ensure a tight, leak-free installation. Here you can see a subfloor view, looking up showing the dual drain connection to the house main drain. Always adjust the level of your particular tub. Once the tub is perfectly level, filling can begin. Check every side of the tub to make sure it's level. Using a slip of paper, make sure all feet are securely on the ground. Adjust as necessary. Proper leveling assures you of proper door alignment. And proper door alignment is critical to a leak-proof seal. Your tub was shipped with the door locked, so we suggest leaving it open for a short period of time so the gasket can retain its shape. For daily use, we recommend leaving your tub door unlocked when not being used to extend the life of the door gasket. After attaching faucets, handles, drain covers, and other amenities, water lines and shutoff valves are connected. One of Freedom's walk-in tub's unique features is our fast fill faucets. We recommend 3/4-inch supply lines with shutoff valves as seen here. Proper water supply will assure you of a tub that fills quickly. Never over-torque your supply lines. Over-torquing the supply lines will damage the internal gasket and could potentially cause a leak. We also suggest filling your tub completely and leaving the water in it overnight to check for leaks. Once in place and running all systems, a visual inspection with a flashlight should be made. Air, hydro, and all electrical systems should run for 20 minutes under inspection. Keep in mind, as you make the electrical connection to your home power supply, you must utilize dedicated GFCI protected outlets. The breaker box must also utilize GFCI protected breakers. Depending upon the number of components in your tub and the type of components in your tub, the appropriate amperage value must be provided in your breaker box. Proper installation will provide you with years of trouble-free walk-in tub enjoyment.